Today I'm going to show you how to repair the door latch cable. If the wire part is not broken, just the base where it locks in on the door latch assembly, you can get a door latch repair set. Comes in a metal to replace the locking tab. And it has a whole unit that goes in the cable. First thing you want to do, if the base is brittle, you can break it off. And if it's not brittle, you might have to use a razor blade or something to cut it up. But on this one, it's brittle enough. And once you get the cable, it's going to have a slit. You install it on the wire. And then you push it on. And that's how you repair the door latch cable.